Yo, 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 yo. Okay, I think I'm good. What is up, guys? So today I have a question from one of my active listeners, one of my active fans, one of my active listeners. Question was, if I can get to it, she wanted to know how I make my music videos, and depending on how I feel or how I like to go about it, a lot of times I will use Photoshop, which is what I'm going to be demonstrating today. How I make them, and it's going to be really fun, I think. But that's just one of the ways. The other ways is that I like to also use Premiere, um, or just slap a photo, on a video and just call it good, on Movie Maker or Premiere or something, So it's uh not that long. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown, especially for my fan here, one of my fans, Bristi. I'm hopefully I did not mispronounce that. So shout out to Bristy for hearing my music. Thank you so much. But yeah, let's get into the video.
Step 1. Preparing your image. Let's get started. First of all, after opening your image, go to Image, then Image Size, to check both image size and resolution. With layer 1 selected, go and click on the mask icon to isolate what you have selected. Now, select the background layer, then go and make a color fill.
Realistic than anything. So I'm gonna go all the way up. I'm gonna press OK, right? Bam.
Now, right-click.
Machine learning is advancing,
ads.
but businesses wonder if some machines can.
Change number of levels to 8. Change edge simplicity to 5.
Oh,
And change
shit.
edge fidelity to 1.
So as y'all can see, like
Then click OK.
it starts to come out pretty cool. I think I might use this for my next project. Honestly, I like the bling behind it. Um, he said to put those settings there, but honestly, I'm digging these ones really. But let's just check it out. We're gonna see. He said 8, 5, and 1. So we're gonna go 8, 5, and 1. Okay, okay. I think we can rock with this. I don't know. Maybe I should make my face a little smaller or something. I'm trying to see if you guys can see this stuff right here. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. Like it's some cool shit, huh? So we gonna keep rocking with it. I think I like those settings. You just have to mess with it. What if we go all the way up on this? I don't know. Oh wait. Yeah, it starts to look more real. So maybe if you go to 1, and you said 5, but let's go all the way up to 9. Okay. Oh man, now this looks tight. I just want to maybe just use this in general. I don't know, man. Maybe 7. We do have 3 layers. This is the thing about using Photoshop, right? This is gonna be like a layer on top of the next layer, making it look like coherently um good, So uh yeah, I go through this process like I said. Not as much as I used to. Maybe I should go back into this. I don't know. If you guys maybe leave a comment below, what do you guys think? Or somewhere, leave a comment somewhere.
Okay.
Okay, he said 8, 5, but I'm honestly thinking 1. What is 1 looking like? And it takes a second too. Oh, yeah, cuz in the video it looks more cartooned out more than anything. So I might just go out from edge fidelity to 1, and edge simplicity all the way up to like 10 or maybe 5 he said, but I'm gonna maybe push it up to 6, maybe even 7. 8 looked okay, but uh yeah, that's too dark, I think. I don't know. Maybe 6. Yeah, maybe 6. We might be rocking it with 6. Uh Maybe 5. Maybe go with 5. I don't know, man. Maybe 5. No, maybe 6. I don't know. This is hard. I'm just gonna go with what he says here on this one.
With your layer selected, go to Filters, then Sharpen, and choose on Sharp Mask. Change amount to 150%. Change radius to 2 pixels and threshold to 0. Then click OK. As you can see, all filters will be applied as smart filters, since we are working with smart objects. Now, let's move to the second layer. Make it visible. Then go to Filters, and click on Filter Gallery. With the cutout filter selected, just keep values as they are.
Filter gallery. Oh yeah, right here. And through the cut, and he says to leave them as they are.
And change edge simplicity to 6.
Edge simplicity to 6.
Then click OK.
Oh.
Now, double-click this little icon to change the filter opacity. Change opacity to 35%. Then click OK.
To what? 50%?
Now, double-click this little icon to change the filter opacity. Change opacity to 35%.
35. I feel like maybe 90 is good. Let's look at that. Why is it so low on his end, though? That's what I'm trying. I'm trying to do it by the book too, but really not follow the rules because, like I said, his vector, his picture, right, is completely different from mine. So what I'm thinking here is, yeah, going with 90. I think 90 is good. We're just gonna risk it for the biscuit. Maybe just push it to 75, I think. So it looks kind of still realistic. Yeah, maybe 90, guys. 99? Yeah, we're gonna go with 99.
Then click OK. Again, with your layer selected, go to Filter Gallery.
Sharpen?
With the cutout filter selected, change values to 8, 6, and 2. Then click OK. Again, double-click here and change opacity to 35%. Click OK.
We'll go with that one.
Last step, with your layer selected, go to Filter, Sharpen.
I don't care, bro. What? Okay, so last sharpen.
Then choose on Sharp.
I'm on sharp mask.
Mask filter. Change amount to 250%. And make both radius and threshold 2 and 0. Then click OK. Now change this layer opacity to 50%. As you can see, this soft details layer adds a lot of details to our final effect. Now, let's add some other details. Select the last layer and make it visible. Then, go to Filter and choose High Pass Filter. Change radius to 2. Then click OK. Change blend mode to overlay. This will add some extra sharpening and details to our final effect. Now, select all 3 layers, then drag and drop to group them. Let's add some adjustment to our final effect. Now, select all 3 layers, then drag and drop to group them.
Alright.
Let's add some adjustment layers. First, add levels layer.
Levels.
Drag these both sliders a little bit.
Oh.
Now, add vibrance layer.
A little bright.
Now, add vibrance layer. Increase both vibrance and saturation.
Vibrance.
Now, add vibrance layer. Increase both vibrance and saturation. Now, add color balance layer.
Whoa. Now that looks cool. Color balance. Make it more red or green. Let's see here. We'll go with this one. Go with the blue. More blue than nut. 3. Something like that, right? That looks okay. Midtones.
Adjust midtones.
Then shadows and highlights.
Adjust shadows.
Hold up. There's a shadow there. Okay, maybe we want this a little dark. I don't know. Now it's a little bright there. That's okay for the shadows. That looks okay. And then highlights. Ooh. I wish I could automate this, just make it go like that, That'd be pretty dope. I don't know why this keeps popping up, man. It's so gay. I feel like that's cool.
And finally, adjust highlights. Select all 3 layers, then drag and drop to group them.
And I think
Let's
that's
see
it.
the final result.
Wow, what you
That's
guys think?
great.
Group 1 and then 2 and 3. Ooh, I think I like it. I like it. I like it.
I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.
So
Please.
so that's one way that I do it, right? Let's go ahead and export as right here. And I'll do the canvas for 800 by 800. Scale this out to 33. Maybe a little further, 25. Go 10. That looks okay, but I mean, let's go to 15. That's starting to look better. Maybe 20. 19. I just use that one. Or maybe just screw it. Just fit it in. Let's go with 23. 23 is respectable. PNG. Very good. Excellent and then great. Let's go through the downloads here and download it. There. Wait. 2. Like that. Then exit out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Where's my Photoshop folder? Oh, I guess save it there. It's blah, blah, blah. That's cool.